What's up, guys? It's Monday morning, just sitting here hanging out in the fish room. So, figure I'd shoot a video. Sitting here drinking my coffee. Open the bird cage there for the parakeets and see if my buddy Marley can come and fly out. Alright, this is what I do every morning. Just come in here and chill out. Look at my buddies. And chill with them for a little bit. It may sound a little groggy. I just woke up, so. I gotta do some work on this tank here. I'm probably gonna do a little trimming. Get rid of some of these dead leaves. I mean, not dead, but got holes in them. This one here is looking real ragged. Yeah. Goes my guppy tank. Guppy tank is doing good. I put a Chinese algae eater in here too. He pretty much is cleaning up the tank. Take him a little longer than the fry tank, the Chinese algae eater in the fry tank. There goes Marley. Yes, sir. He loves it. Loves to spread his wings. Man, it sucks that the lighting in here is not all that great. Can't really see these birds that good in the cages, but yeah. Here's my fish pond. It's hard to see these guys too. Let me feed them. Let's see if they come up. I'll try to do this with one hand here. There you go. Got 3 koi fish and 3 common goldfish in here. It's just something I threw together. I had the pond sitting around in the yard. Didn't have nowhere to put it in the yard, so I just threw it in here right now. I mean, it don't look bad. Kind of like it. It's right next to my chair, so sit here and just look at it. I want to get these lights that you put in the water so you can see the fish better. Eventually, when I get the funds to do that, I'll be doing that too. And there's a lot of things I need to do with all my tanks. The money is just not there right now. You know, it's not easy to come up with some money, so here you go. These guys are doing good. You see that plant, if you saw my other video, was leaning over a bit. It's standing up. It's only on day 2 now, so it's doing good. Let's see if you can see these guys in here. Nope. Kind of see them. They're hanging out in the corner. Let me see. Let me move this thing. There you go. Yeah, these guys right here, I got these from my parents. They were just making too much noise for my dad in the living room, so he didn't want them no more. When he sits there and watches hockey, you know, they make a whole bunch of noise, so Still gotta tame them. They're not tamed yet, so as you can see when I put my hand there, they want to hiss at me and stuff. See? But a little at a time, I'll get them tamed down. That cage there is for the parakeets. Can't see in there. That sucks. But yeah, here's my man cave sign. You gotta have a man cave sign. I don't know if you can see that, if you can read it. Oh, a little shaky in the hand. There you go. That guy, he's been pulling his feathers. I don't know why, for some reason. You gotta see what's up with that. And the other one in the back, named him Sonny. He's pretty cool. He's chill. Taught him how to do some whistling. It's pretty good. But of course, you got Marley. Marley, he's cool as hell. Sometimes he'll land on my lap, come get some food and stuff. Yeah, buddy. There's Sonny. What's up, buddy? There you go. See if we get him to whistle. Trying to teach him how to do the Darth Vader theme song. He gets it a little bit, but let's see if I can try to get him to do that. You ain't gonna do it? Come on, buddy. Come on, do the other whistle. Let's give him a minute, let's see what he does. Alright. Maybe he'll do it in a minute. Man. Marley just swooped by my head. Almost hit me. I got this spray mullet hanging here on the light. Sometimes he lands on that. And paying a visit to the other birds. Okay. Oh, come up. Come on. Come on, buddy. He don't want to come. Yeah, training birds ain't all that easy, but I get them to where they're used to me, so that's the only one that flies around in the room. I got another one, blue parakeet. He's still in the cage, kind of scared. Comes flying out, but he, you know, they had his wings clipped into the pet store, so I don't think he ever really learned how to fly. He's getting it a little bit though, but when he gets out, I gotta watch him because sometimes he'll fall in that pond and I gotta snatch him up, put him in the cage. He gives himself a bath, so I mean, I wish that wouldn't happen. It's not really that cool, but he'll learn eventually. Maybe put a cover on that pond over there. I actually want to build a bigger pond, build it out of wood, you know, so the fish have more room too. That's another project. I'm telling you, I got a bunch of plans in my head. If you watch my channel, you know, subscribe and you'll see things I plan on doing and what what I accomplish and stuff. So, was that big boy? I was supposed to have gotten a filter for this tank, but yeah, like I said, the funds ain't there right now. Been going through some issues in my back. Actually, if you see my previous videos, you kind of see the pain on my face. I've been doing all this I started in January. My back's been out since Thanksgiving. Got a doctor's appointment today, but yeah, I mean, it's not that cloudy, as you can see. I put this power head filter in there to push this side of the tank water over to the other filter over there, and it seems to be holding up. So I got some time yet till I get the other filter. I really like the way this tank looked out. The black background, it does a lot better than the blue. I think black helps pop the colors out a lot better. I learned that when I did this Planet tank here. You know, the black, yeah, it pops everything out. And it was Chinese algae eater. And my coffee. You gotta have that. I want to hang more sticks up for these birds to fly around. Marley seems to like it. And if I get these guys used to me, because these two pair over here, I got these from my cousin, and yeah, those are great. I got those two from my cousin, the other two from my mom and dad. I mean, they make a little noise, but I got them in this fish room. That's why I call it a fish/bird room. And yeah, you know, when they start making a lot of noise, I could just close that door right there and everything is cool. So but yeah, guys, don't want to bore you too much. I just wanted to share this with you guys. What I do in the morning, come here. I'm about to feed the fish and feed the birds. And yeah, check you guys out later. Thanks for watching.